Hello guys, welcome to Epson Fire Safety Solution, where you will learn how to install fire alarm system. Guys, we are repairing the manual call points. Guys, this one is a manual call point. Guys, it is a SATA type of call point. Guys, we are replacing the new one, guys. So you are seeing some cables there where we shall connect the cable with the manual call point, guys. The cables will allow to send the sensor to the fire alarm so that it can activate the alarms, guys. So guys, we are trying to connect by use of the negative and positive, guys. As you can see, the cable, the black and the right one. So guys, as you can see, the arrow, the black arrow, it show you where you will break that glass by using your hand to break the glass. When you break the glass, it will send the signal to the fire panel, that one, and the panel will send it and will activate the alarm system, and you will hear some sounders ringing. So guys, if you are new to our channel, please guys subscribe it so that you can get a daily update how to install the fire alarm system, plus how to service the fire panel system. Guys, as you can see, we are trying to repair. As you can see, the zones, we are testing the zone whether it is on a good condition. We have zones and the sounders site and relay.